Guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix social club error in GTA 5. So the first thing what you need to do here, you need to go to virus and threat protection. And under here, under the virus and threat protection, you should see manage settings here. Press on that, then scroll down until you see exclusions and press on add or remove exclusions. And then here you need to press add an exclusion. And then you need to select the folder, and then usually Rockstar Games folder is on program files, and then Rockstar Games, and select the folder here and add it to the list. Same thing with your game, with your GTA 5. You need to add folder here. Mine is on Steam, so I just need to go to program files x86, Steam apps, common, and then add this folder here. And once you do that, then you need to go to Windows Defender Firewall, and then press allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Then press change settings, and then you need to look for Rockstar Games. And if there is no Rockstar Games here, so what you need to do here is to allow another app. Press browse. Then you need to go to disk C, program files, and then you should find Rockstar Games here. Select launcher, and then select this option here and add it. And make sure these two basically check marks is selected here. And after that, just press OK. All right, and that's pretty much it. What you need to do here, if basically social club error in GTA 5. So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.